Okay, according to this post, Titan cameraman is at least 90 meters tall. Okay, let's assume his length is about a third of that, so with 30 meters, and his width is about half of that, so 15 meters. That equals 40,000 meters in volume. Using the density of tungsten, his mass is about over 700 million kilograms. Now, the Tainer rammed G-Man with an insane speed. So let's calculate. G-Man is about 90 meters tall, and the area looks like it could fit two G-Men, so one 80-meter area. He crossed that area in three frames, so 1/10 of a second. So his speed is 1,800 meters per second, which is hypersonic. Now we plug in the speed and then the mass, and let's half it by two because the Tanner is smaller than Titan Cameraman, just to be sure. We get about 150,000 tons of TNT or 150 kilotons, which is large town level and is about three times the power of the SAR bomb. Keep in mind that this only annoyed G-Man. This only knocked his glasses off, so his real durability is about double this, so 300 kilotons. This also makes sense narratively, as the Titans and the toilets should be wow narratively stronger than the modern U.S. military or any military, since they're using high tech. This should scale the Titans to 300 kilotons since they can permanently damage G-Man. Titan TV Man should be worth 2 Titans, so he should be 600 kilotons. And now we're reaching low small city level. So Juggernaut is above Titan TV Man, and G-Man is above Juggernaut. So I think we're in low small city level by now. Now let's move to speed. So we see that G-Man can actually see detainer when he's moving at hypersonic speed, although he doesn't do anything until it's too late. So at best, it's hypersonic reaction speed and not combat speed. So let's move on to something more concrete. So we see this tank fire beam that in one frame can cross about three stories, each story being about 3 meters, so 9 meters per 1/30th of a second. That's 270 meters per second, or subsonic plus. G-Man can actually react to this beam and actually move to dodge it. Let's use a projectile dodging formula. Okay, let's say that G-Man moved his own height, so 50 meters, and we multiply that by the speed of the projectile. Then we divide out of that by the distance from the projectile and G-Man, which let's say is about 10 meters, and we get supersonic plus speed. So they at least have subsonic plus speeds, which is consistent with their projectiles moving the height of buildings in only one or less of seconds. Okay, now let's count G-Man's plasma beams. In two frames, they expand to half its height, so 45 meters. That's over 600 meters per second, or supersonic speed. So depending on your interpretation, Skibidi Toilet is from high supersonic speed or low hypersonic. At least in reaction and combat speeds. Now let's talk about travel speeds, which they really shine in. Using warp speed, the Astros can cross the horizon in only 1 second. The horizon is 5 miles away from the POV of an average person. This is 8,000 meters per second, or hypersonic plus speed. Since the Astro toilets are aliens, they can probably accelerate to even higher speed. For example, the mothership toilet bends light when it comes in from warp speed. If you reach light speeds, you actually bend light. So that makes sense scientifically. So to recap, Skibby Toilet is at least multi-city block level, and it goes to town level, and then to large town level, and low small city level. its speed is from subsonic to hypersonic plus. I hope y'all enjoyed the video.